If you're having problems to do with commas or decimals or points, and you want to permanently change it. So for example, on my computer, by default, thousands are in spaces and decimals are a point. Maybe you received a new computer and you need to actually change it to be perhaps commas. This is not really an Excel thing. This is a Windows thing. So the best way to go find out if it's a problem, you click on the bottom, you type region, and you go region settings. And then on the right here, you'll see additional date, time, and regional settings. And over here, there's region, change date, time, or number formats. And what you'll see, this is where your computer is set up for where it is, how to do dates, etc. But here's the additional settings, which are very important. And you'll see here you can specify what the decimal symbol is. And you'll see there's some predefined ones. The other interesting ones, how it treats a negative. So you can see you can do the brackets. And quite importantly, the list separator. So this is if you've got problems with CSVs. So they're commas instead of semicolons or semicolons instead of commas, something like that. You can change them to whatever you want. And then when you say OK, it will change your settings. Just be aware it changes your computer. It's not just Excel. If you don't want to take the risk of changing the entire computer's regional settings, you can do it in Excel and overwrite your Windows settings. So you do it, you go to File, Options, Advanced, and you'll see right at the top here it says Use System Separators. So that tick means use what I just showed. However, you can switch that off and then put in what is your decimal and how you separate thousands.